Okay, so this trick is going to tell us how to create a VBA form in the fastest way for data entry purposes. So you might have seen a lot of videos that are related to creating a VBA form by using the entire macro coding and forms in Excel VBA. However, I am going to tell you a way so that if you want only a simple data entry form for your Excel, you can create it in just some clicks only. So over here you can see that our heading is saying about fastest way of creating a VBA form. So let's see how we can do that. So if you have a data in which you want to do some sort of a data entry, you can simply select that data, and instead of making your file into the macro enabled way, creating a form, creating the codes, what you can do is you can use a simple shortcut Alt DO. So when I will press onto my keyboard Alt DO, you can see that a simple VBA form is appeared over here. So this is a form by which I can simply do a data entry. You can see that I have got a lot of buttons over here that say that new, find previous, next, delete, restore. So this is all the data entry controls over here. However, some things that you have to note is that the name of this form is basically the name of the sheet in which you are using it. The headers are basically the headers that you have selected in your data. And if you want to, let's say, increase the size of this data entry place, then what you have to do is you simply have to select one of your column and make it a little bit big, that much big that you want. Then after selecting your data, just simply press Alt D and you can see that the size of these things are also increased. So these are some sort of things that you can do into it. You can use it very well for your data entry purposes. However, this form is not editable. You cannot do any sort of customization because this is Excel default data entry form.